Some Silicon Valley engineers who work on top-secret military space systems got to test their problem-solving skills today. Lockheed Martin challenged them to a down-to-earth project, building a car in just one day. ABC 7 News business and technology reporter David Louie is live in Sunnyvale. David, did they make their deadline?
They did make their deadline precisely 9 hours later. You know, engineers are always fond of saying they're up for a good challenge, and the executives here at Lockheed Martin decided it might be good to help them push their thinking through, to think outside the box. And they found the perfect vehicle to do it, this car.
1, 2, 3.
Lifting off a tarp isn't quite as dramatic as a spacecraft liftoff, which is a routine part of their work. But these engineers couldn't be happier about how this day-long project ended.
My name is Amanda Fu, and I'm a rocket design manager here at Lockheed Martin.
And what do you know about building a car?
Zero.
That's how these 200 engineers started out their day. Their goal, to build a car rated to go 100 miles per gallon. It was a team-building exercise by Lockheed Martin to inspire its engineers to rev up their creative juices and to get them to be better problem solvers.
It means that failure is not an option. They have to very quickly pick up the task, find their way through it, make sure they're doing it correctly the first time, because there's really no time to cycle back through it. And even in the normal products we build that take much longer, that's still a truism that they have to live with.
This wasn't designed to be a simple assembly process. Curves were thrown in to create challenges.
We have about 4 inches of error in the drive assembly, so we have to adjust where the tires are, adjust where the wheel assemblies are, and adjust ultimately where the engine is.
Easy to fix?
Easy-ish. Easier than the body.
The car itself is a prototype created by WIKISPEED, an organization working toward a highly efficient commuter car. A buyer has paid $25,000 to take this team-assembled vehicle home. And by working all day as a team, Lockheed Martin employees hope to walk away with new skills to use in their daily work.
My group does a lot of supply chain strategy, so if we can see how things are built, see what the parts do that our group is buying, it really helps us understand how we contribute to the organization.
In Sunnyvale, David Louie, ABC 7 News.